Okay, surprise, we're back. More cubes. The giveaway got us, and we still have a couple we need. So, we tried one more max mint of 5. So,
and it's a giveaway, so we have better chances to get what we want.
Hopefully.
Yes.
So, which one are we going to do this morning?
My giveaway cube is 4.
Well, all of these cubes enter us into the giveaway is how it works. So let's see what's inside this cube.
It's probably something good.
Okay. Common tri-klops, uncommon battle cat. Those are our top 2 priorities to finish our set,
Yeah,
right?
it's what we need.
And any one of the food ones would be cool.
Yeah. And a grill, too.
And a grill.
Yeah. At least one of each.
Another cringer! Yeah. Oh my god. So many of these guys. Goodness. Well, they are common.
At least our evil ones have pets.
All of our evil-lyn army has pets. That's right. Or you know what we can do? We can take a whole bunch of these cringers and give them to Santa, and they can all pull Santa's sleigh instead of reindeer. Because we now have 6 cringers. Goodness.
Mm-hmm.
Still no tri-klops. I can't believe it.
And just one uncommon tri-klops, but that's not what we need.
Yeah, we do need one other common one also.
Yeah.
But look at our gold. Look at this. Look at this guy. Look how cool he is.
He's golden.
Yeah. All right. Well.
You might have seen another video where we finished our last cube, but the giveaway made us get 5 more.
That's right. All right. Well, there we go. We have 4 more chances. I am hoping they're not full of cringers and evil-lyns, and we have something else in there. Different rarities, or something else, a regular tri-klops, something. We'll see. All right. Tomorrow it is. Right?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Bye.